What's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, coming at you with another review, and I'm finally getting all the way caught up, and it's gonna all happen today. Right now we're in March and we're getting ready to do the review for January. I know it's pretty insane how I'm holding on to all these boxes. I barely open them, and I definitely don't get to wear the clothes because, you know, to be perfectly honest, I have more clothes than what I need, but I don't want to cancel the service. What I need to do is I need to probably purge some stuff that isn't related to ThreadBeast, but you know, right now as far as gear goes, like, I'm pretty solid, you know. So let's just get into this box. This is January's box, and this is ThreadBeast. Just before I get into it, just want to let you all know, definitely trying to grow this channel. I still plan on putting out some other videos about other products and things, but by all means, please like this video, please share the video, and subscribe to the channel when you get an opportunity. All right, so let's get into it. Let's see what we got here. All right. Oh yeah, I remember now. All right, so first thing we got here is it's a Halfway Dead t-shirt. Nothing really too special. Just got the HWD logo on it. T-shirt, I'm sure that's probably about a good 25, 30 bucks. Unless I plan on going skiing, which I might make happen. I think this is just for your neck. You know, I think it's just a neck collar. So yeah, I guess I could keep it, or I don't know, we'll see. I really don't see a normal use for this unless I'm going skiing, which, hey, I haven't been skiing in over 20 years, so probably just need to let this one go. So you'll probably see this one definitely on my Poshmark channel. The link will be in the description for that. And yes, I'm very confident this will be on the Poshmark. I actually ended up letting go of something very similar to this, just in black, gray, and white. Same exact thing, has the fur lining on the inside. I don't know about you all, but I get hot very easy. Just so that you know, the arms don't have any lining. They're just like normal flannel feeling material that's right here, but it's just mainly in the chest that it has that fur lining, as well as the collar. But yeah, that's just too much for me. Like, I normally get hot, and being here in LA, there's just really no place for it. You know, the coldest that it really gets is like 50 degrees, and then this still would be like overkill. So let's see what else we got here. But in all seriousness, this is probably, that t-shirt's probably 25 bucks. This neck thing is probably 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks. This right here is probably, it would probably go for at least 60 to $80. Next up, we have another t-shirt, which now I'm like kicking myself that I didn't get those new pair of Jordans that just came out. But you know what, Grizzly is not always on point with their sizing for their shirts. So we're gonna have to try this on and see what it feels like. But this nice black and yellow Grizzly shirt is cool. Oh, okay, and a pair of jeans, Rushers, brand called Rushers jeans. I'm gonna have to figure out what these is looking like. So, I mean, jeans, you know, they can go anywhere from $50 to $100. I'm just gonna estimate that these are gonna be 50 bucks, 60 bucks at the most. So this was, as far as if it was supposed to go for value, I would say that this was definitely a valuable box. Let's just say $50. These two t-shirts are $50, so that's 100. I'm gonna go ahead and just clock this in at 80. So that's 180, and then the neck joint, you know, that's gonna put us at an even 200. And remember, I'm paying $85 a month for this subscription service, so I'll let you be the judge if you feel like this is a worthwhile box. A lot of these things don't work for me necessarily, but for you, it could have been a different story. And I'm pretty sure they don't send the same items out to everyone. So your box is always going to look a little different than mine. If anybody that is on here is a ThreadBeast subscriber, let me know. You know, I would like to know, like, do you have the same things that you get in your box that I get in mine? You know, even though that I'm putting them out late, you know, I still let you know exactly which month because I keep track of them. So just give it a couple minutes and I'll go ahead and get these tried on. All right. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. All right, folks, so we're at the portion of the video where I try on the clothes so that you guys get to see how they fit, what they look like when someone's wearing them. With this one, I could not put on those jeans. Now, that's something that I normally don't email ThreadBeast about the clothes that they send me, but those jeans are slim fit jeans, so those are unacceptable. Like, I won't take those. They're gonna have to take those back. I'm really actually kind of frustrated that they would include that, knowing that the fit that I requested was more loose fit. So I feel kind of a way about that with them sending me those jeans. But beyond that, so you're not gonna see me try those on. This first t-shirt is a Grizzly Tape shirt. They generally run kind of small and slim fit, but this one is a little bit better than some of the other ones that I've tried on. So I'll definitely be keeping this one, and yeah, it's a nice little shirt. Nothing too big about it. It's pretty straightforward. Let me go ahead and try on the next shirt. All right, so this is the Halfway Dead shirt. I'm actually becoming a little bit of a fan. The fit is a traditional, the way I would expect an extra large to fit. So, hey, I'm happy with it. Just a basic shirt with the Halfway Dead logo. Their designs have been simple so far, so we'll see if they step outside the box and get a little bit more creative. But overall, this is a shirt that I'll keep and I will continue to wear. All right, so I'm gonna make this part quick just because it is very warm in this shirt. In the chest, this shirt is very, very small. The arms, it fits normal, but I don't know if it's just because of the lining or what. And you know, it has little pockets right here. So it's like a little shirt jacket type situation. Number one, it's not something that I would keep just because of how warm it is. Number two, the reason why I wouldn't keep it is because of the fit. It fits a little bit smaller than normal. So if you normally wear an extra large, this isn't gonna be the shirt for you unless you just like to have, you know, that tension across your chest. But it just really depends on how extra large fits you anyway. But if you like the slim fit, then this would probably work for you. Otherwise, I would say that this extra large probably would work for someone that wears a large. But the large issue would be the length. You know, it might be a little long for you. So if you're just maybe a smaller extra large, like smaller in the chest area, you're not as heavy as I am, then this shirt probably would fit true to you, but not for me. So let's just say this is a slim extra large, all right? But yeah, this is a no for me. I'm not even gonna bother to put this on. You know, this is for your neck. I don't see the point in trying to put this on. You guys have an idea of what this is supposed to be for. So, hey, if you want it, you'll be able to find it on my Poshmark along with this shirt right here, all right? For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.